4 days ago, I was driving down a parking lot that didn't look like much on the map. But for 2 nights, it turned into something very special. 20 vans, Friday, Saturday, a little overlanding party in a community center parking lot. For me, meetups are always a weird mix. I love the idea of them, but actually opening the door and walking out to be social, that's a different story. I told myself I'd do it properly this time. Say hi, film the van tours, capture the stories. And when you step back and look at it, it's kind of wild. All these people traveling the continent in their own version of a tiny home. Different rigs, different builds, same reason, freedom. There's something about lining up that many vans that makes you feel like you're part of something bigger. But here's the thing, this story isn't really about the 20 vans. Because when a big meetup wrapped up and most of the people rolled out, some of us weren't ready to call it, so we took it to the lake. Campfire smoke instead of parking lot lights. This whole weekend turned into something I didn't expect. It ended with my first cutthroat trout and a fish in the freezer. Welcome back, everyone. So we're out here at a little meetup, a little van life meetup. I was thinking of doing some van tours, but I don't know, we'll see. Sounds like a lot of work, but we got some familiars. We got Charles, Adventure with Charles, a man in his van, and we've been meeting some new faces. So it's been pretty exciting, but for now, I'm gonna go and have some breakfast and meet everybody and say hi. So I'm gonna be honest, guys. I am not the van lifer who's just gonna show up with van life, throw a camera in everybody's faces, and start recording. So it is the 3rd day. We've slept here for 2 nights. I arrived here on Friday, it's Sunday, and everybody has left me. Albeit, I did record one more van life video, a van tour video. While I was recording that, everybody left. But it should be a good van tour. I actually recorded 3 of them. I actually got the courage and the guts to finally ask, hey, do you wanna do a van tour on my channel? Do you wanna try it out? Sure, let's try it out. So Charles, Adventure, a man in his van, Adventure Charles, he let me record him in his van. After that, I recorded another one. And after that, I asked another guy, and he was willing to do it. I ended up recording Charles, Deborah, or Debbie, and Michael. So those videos are gonna be up pretty soon. When it's nice and rainy out and we got some time, we'll sit down, we'll do some video editing, we'll get those put together, we'll get those uploaded. But I thought I'd get you guys updated so that you guys could see what I'm doing. And well, we're packing up, we're getting out of here. We're gonna go down the road, we're gonna grab some earthworms, and we're gonna go fishing. I got invited to go down to Horn Lake. So we're gonna head down to the provincial park and we'll do some fishing. You guys haven't heard from me in 3 days. So thought I'd give you guys a little update and see you guys where you guys are at too, right? All right, we'll see you guys down the road. It's snowing. Wow. That was not on my bingo card this morning. got my first cutthroat, 17 inches. I'm gonna take this home. We're gonna share it with Granny. It should be good eating. Nice, fresh. Let's throw the line in. Good morning, welcome back. It's been a few days. All in all, it's just been a good relaxing day. I'm gonna put out the line a little bit further out, see if we can catch another fish before we leave, before I start back onto my winter, back onto my regular scheduling, back into nature, back into the backcountry, because I think that's what I want to do. The video got pretty good views, so we're gonna pack up and we're gonna get out of here pretty soon. But first, I'm gonna hang out with some friends, make some food, and enjoy some campfire and relax and generally just have some fun. We got a nice little breeze going on, so I'm gonna have to reel in and cast every few minutes, but that's fishing for you. I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys, on a good note. Me fishing. Got a little skiff of snow going on. It's kind of nice this morning. Wake up a little fresh snow on the ground. Go back to city life and there'll be no snow on the ground. But maybe in the backcountry there'll be a little bit of snow. Who knows? It'll be interesting. Well, I think I'm gonna end it here. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Life with Spike. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button. See you on the next one. Peace out.